This is the photo of the Mercedes-Benz, the passenger side, with damage. Again, photo of the passenger side of the Mercedes with damage on the rear and side door, and appears to be the windows down. The vehicle surrounded by.
Hey, what's good, y'all? We went ahead and started this live. Everybody's over here. We day 2, Young Dolph trial. I'm trying to make sure I think this is the right one. Yeah, day 2 of the Dolph trial. So you know what about the go over what's going on for a few hours and see what's what's popping. So stay tuned. Hit that like button. Shouts out to y'all. Either if y'all love us or hate us.
I'd like to show you what has previously been marked. Previously been marked as exhibit number 5. As part of your investigation, do you recall seeing this?
Yes, I do.
And what does this picture, exhibit number 5,
I can see Justin Johnson straight drop on this picture. I see Mr. Hernandez, Govan. I see maybe 2 other individuals, one facing here, and I see an individual in the rear with the mask on.
and as part of your investigation, when you found the vehicle, what significance does this picture show in relation to the vehicle that was found?
The vehicle showed in the front of the 1174.
Get stuff set up,
Right.
y'all. We doing this in real
And
time.
also part of the
Couldn't wait.
investigation, was there a significance as to any other house on Brett?
Yes, also in front of Hernandez, Govan's home.
I'd like
How
to
we do it, man?
fast forward.
Sure, thank you.
What y'all think? Y'all think Govan cooked? I think Govan's sweating bullets right now.
Are you familiar with what the picture is depicting?
I am.
And what is that picture depicting?
It's a top area view of the Bradley and Haynes Street, where
Got big game about
1174
to pop in, so
Bradley is, and also Mr. Govan's address.
we already got it run. So, oh, sheesh.
Oh, sorry. No, okay. Yeah, this is the next one.
Let's see, let's see. You can see wherever that little chair is. I don't care. Oh, my fault, y'all. That's my bad. All right, so I don't have a mic, sorry. But right now, they're like I don't know who's on the stand right now. I'm trying to see. There's a dude named Bobby that they did, Bobby something, Bobby Carter or something like that.
Yeah.
Maybe bringing him up.
Commissioner Post. I'm sorry to that, but those little bitty numbers, at least they are for me. I'd like to pass you the clicker, and if you could, with the court's permission, could you step down and show us the significant addresses you described previously?
Okay, so this is
All right, that's 1174 Bradley there. Mr. Govan's address is directly across the street.
Thank you. Also, as the case officer, would you be aware of other various investigations that were going on as part of this investigation?
Yes,
Did you were phones collected from various entities as part of this investigation?
they were.
And as part of that investigation, were there phone dumps and call records collected?
They were.
One last thing, you made it to the rank of sergeant, is that correct?
That's correct.
You've also been an investigator and a detective coming through the ranks, is that correct?
Yes, sir. Yes, ma'am.
As part of your investigating crime scenes or just going to different crime scenes, did you become aware of various security cameras that may be in businesses?
We did.
And is there usually a time frame those things need to be collected?
The quicker the better. You know, some businesses, they record over the video. Some, you know, may last for a few days, a few weeks. So.
In this case, if you did not learn about a particular area of significance or place of interest until, for instance, a month later, possibly that information is gone, is that correct?
Objection, speculation, and leading, Your Honor.
And I'm sure defense will ask this question, but I'll ask you, did you all investigate any possible video of Pressure World?
No, we didn't.
And,
Pressure World, is that like, I
when did
think
you
that's
learn
a car
about
wash out there,
anything
right?
that had been
That's
of
what it
significance
is.
in Pressure World?
It was weeks, month later. So.
I'll pass the witness.
I'm sorry, I'm talking to the deputy. We have a little assignment.
That's pretty, yeah.
Yeah, Big Gang got that fresh cut, bro.
Sergeant Dabney, thank you. You came down from Michigan.
Dreads
I'm
got
actually showing this guy, because this is the first guy that I think they showed this.
I appreciate your years of service, and I'm
All the
glad you're
other
here so we can
witnesses
talk.
that they know, they,
Yeah, of course not.
yeah.
I guess they've been
Of
asking
course
about
not.
these cameras and things like that. Let's just tell it how it is. Nobody during this investigation ever went to Pressure World to check about the cameras, right?
No, we didn't.
Nobody in this investigation ever went to AutoZone to check if the cameras were there.
No, we didn't.
Nobody went to the AutoZone that Cornelius Smith said he went to buy a car cover to see if there's a receipt or some surveillance or something like that inside the AutoZone, right?
No.
Okay. Those are things that would be important to try to corroborate a witness who obviously is the shooter in this case, to make sure he's not lying to you, right?
Yes.
And when people get caught, they generally lie to police. Is that uncommon?
They genuinely lie to police.
Sometimes, fact.
All right. Do people lie to get out of trouble?
Lawyer.
Sometimes, yes.
Do people lie to cut deals?
Sometimes, yes.
Also, with regards to the area
Everybody
around
saying
Pressure
he's
World,
pulling
it's a
up on
pretty
everybody
busy
at the
area.
court,
right?
basically, when they say something, he's like,
And
nah.
you know there's those little MPD city cameras up and down that street, right?
Yeah.
All right.
Man,
And
Saw what you said about paper route route, paper route route over there.
Mhm.
You saw old boy Cornelius said yesterday.
And if you don't know, you don't know, but
Pulled up on paper route.
there are
route,
those-
about to-
that's an
about to
MPD
be
camera
dead,
right on
And then
the
paper
course.
route rule saw him
Could
about to,
be,
and and Paper Route Roof got him, and
Got
he said he had to dodge all the bullets and get back. And Govan or Justin Johnson
But
was like, man,
that looks like a typical
and
police
Govan
camera
like,
that
man, he
neighborhoods
messed up
have or
with
the
it
streets
when he was
have.
alive, but
Yes, sir,
then
it does.
he left.
All right, and you know for a fact that in
So
front
he
of the
feels
pressure
like-
ward area, it's a busy
So
thoroughfare,
he
there's
gets
these
the
cameras.
I didn't know.
Okay, and then behind the pressure ward in the neighborhoods, there's some of these cameras.
Okay.
Yeah,
Does
it
that
just
look like a
it,
camera that you were familiar with?
Yes,
In
sir.
places neighborhood?
it just looked like they got
Go ahead
hired
and offer that
by
as
somebody
the
to just
exhibit,
get
Your
rid
Honor.
of
Just as
PR.
the description of whatever.
That's what it looked
city
like,
camera looks
period.
like.
They're watching his every move, everything.
Objection.
Yeah, they just was looking for a way to get rid of PRE artists.
So, do we know where?
It's,
Have a location?
yes, it's at the pressure ward by the street, but he wasn't sure, so I'm not gonna put words in his mouth.
So this is a picture of what's been described as what could be a city camera on Hope. We'll mark this as exhibit 16.
And these cameras are sort of all over the city on busy thoroughfares and stuff like that.
They are.
All right, could I publish it, Your Honor?
Sure.
I'll do it the old-fashioned way, so I don't have it, I'm just gonna walk, is that all right?
That's fine, that's fine.
All right, so this is what the typical MPD cameras sort of look like.
Well, excuse me, just publish,
Oh, I'm sorry.
no commentary. If you have more questions for the witness, that's fine.
I was asking a
Wow,
question.
man.
Who is that on the stand, the head investigator of the case? So he's the head investigator of the case.
That's insane.
And so you all use these types of cameras to help solve crimes, that's sort of the whole point, right?
To gather evidence, yes.
Okay. Yeah.
It's over with for Govan either way.
I think so. A lot of people saying that he has to have evidence. I don't think that he has to have.
That is true.
Evidence that he can somehow skate around. He
I
looks
guess the
uncomfortable.
biggest question that I've had, that I've been asking people
Yeah, he definitely looked uncomfortable.
is, if you believe Mr. Cornelius and you believe what he told his
But his
girlfriend,
lawyer's standing on business though.
Your Honor,
I don't know.
he's
Yeah,
inserted
what
with
y'all
previous
think?
witnesses.
Yeah, what y'all think?
I'm,
Approach.
They gotta do a huddle. Alright, so they talking amongst themselves right now. So
Yeah.
hey, real quick, did you see, I don't know if you got to see any today, but they talked to Cornelius's girlfriend, and she was talking about all the stuff that Cornelius was telling her, like, yeah, Govan said they want Young Dolph out of here unalive, just that and the third. And then she confirmed just a lot of different things that Govan was like, you know, we gonna be up on some money. But she said she didn't take it serious because he be popping pills, he be stealing her guns and selling them. He was selling her guns, he was stealing like all these.
Go
you don't
back.
have to believe, let me ask you this.
The nigga who did
If
the actual,
Cornelius
yeah.
Smith and Angela Martin
Yeah.
POS all across that.
Yeah, he just a dope fiend.
were
So,
the
I
ones that
mean,
called the shots, I think even in your report, you guys.
I'm
said
gonna just say it could be they could discredit the witness. That's the best offense you can do right now. The best defense right now is this discredit the hell out of Cornelius. That's the only thing you can really do is discredit him. But far as like everything else, all roads pointing to you, Govan. That's what it's looking like.
Yeah, it's looking a mess for him. Let me see. Can't wait to get that other camera.
Joke's the mastermind. That would cause you to go interview Joe, because that's an important piece of information, right?
Doing the investigation, yes.
Right.
They were
But
even trying to get
as a
them.
lead
That's
detective, at no point
crazy.
during the investigation did we attempt to talk to Joe.
We hadn't made it that far, no.
We hadn't made it that far.
That's the crazy
Okay.
part.
It's
Just
been 4
imagine you
years,
riding
and we know
around.
Joe died 2.5 years after.
You
the,
looking for an op to catch it.
case.
You catch the big.
We know everybody'd already been indicted within a few months.
Basically, that's
of
what
the
happened.
arrest taking place. But we never went to
You
talk to
riding
Joe.
around looking for an op
Even
to
after
smoke.
Cornelius
And you
Angela
catch the
repeatedly
biggest
said
op.
he was the mastermind. We can
That's
quibble about who's
crazy.
in charge or whose house or who whatever.
Ain't lying, it is.
But
That's like what a
you're
that's
doing
like
something
man.
in this case.
That's like a what a coinky dink. Like when he's like, what a coinky dink. Like, what are the odds you're riding around just looking for anybody from PRE and you find the biggest dolphin? You find the biggest fish.
Literally the biggest dolphin.
Literally the biggest dolphin. I really want y'all to take into account how wild that is. Like just the whole circumstances. And then catch him at his favorite cookie spot.
Yep.
That's crazy, bro.
At all,
Bro,
by
that's
the
crazy.
police department at any point in this investigation,
I don't even understand that.
even though he died 2.5 years later.
What's the word, bro? What's the word, my nigga? Illinois in this bitch.
That's crazy. Like,
My mama.
what are the odds that the biggest odds? Like, we riding around with the odds and we catch the
Dog.
They like here's
They,
what I heard.
they don't break?
Nah.
But yeah.
Damn, Jay, why you serious as fuck today?
Oh, my bad. Hold on. No, I'm just, my bad. No, you good. Whatever.
They catch the biggest out. And it's just crazy. That's life, bro. And I'm sad that Dolph had to be a casualty of that. But
Yeah, like just imagine, hey, we looking for any nigga from PRE.
Did you
riding around and
catch
then
cute.
one of the coincidence.
You ain't getting
That's what
this.
I'm saying. We catch the biggest fish, like literally the biggest dolphin.
Yeah.
Think about it. We was just riding, looking for just it. We would have called
But you
Kid
gotta
Money.
understand though, straight drop, Govan, everybody that played a part in that shit, they looking at life like damn, like they got a battle ahead of themselves.
Oh, yeah.
All of them, Govan from Gotti, even Gotti, you know what I'm
It wasn't
saying?
even worth it.
I was just saying this before I got here, bro. Gotti not going to jail. Everybody
Gotti's
sitting
never
back
going to
waiting
jail.
on- Gotti's everybody vote. If Gotti was going to jail, he'd have been in jail,
We
bro.
been in jail. Let it been pick them up.
They got a whole trial. You think if Govan had something on Gotti, he would have been
Drop it.
gave it.
Cause
He'd have
that's
been
the
gave that.
that's the Rosetta Stone.
Yeah, he'd have been gave it, bro.
Man.
Do I want to be in the middle? I supposed to be in the middle?
Yep.
Damn,
He'd have
huh?
been gave it, bro. Ain't nobody going to jail, bro.
I gotta be in the middle.
Yep.
Cause you gotta think about it.
Wait, y'all.
Gotti's so removed from the
I
streets.
get it.
Gotti is a music
How I look?
mogul.
Because I gotta
You
do
hear
a
me?
little shit on the side.
Well, you do this shit. I do.
Do a little shit.
I'm getting all that together.
Nah, that's crazy.
Gotti is a music mogul, bro.
Yeah. That's why I want to get them.
Govan was trying to be a music mogul.
He gave you a broke ass chair.
Nah, it's bad.
Is it really, really bad messed up?
Yeah, fuck it.
Well, I said it's a little,
See, yeah, if I was gonna sit in it, no. Jet them things. What the clip look like for the music reviews? And why the fuck you look tired? What's going on?
Oh man, turn up, man. Where y'all at, man? Hit that like button, man. Hit that like button, man. Get this in the algorithm, man.
Get your drunk ass on. Don't start, man.
What about to say?
No, I ain't
Go
drunk.
man and cook like a steak.
I'm just
Yeah.
looking, it's only 20
Yeah, like I said, the only thing you
Okay.
can do is really discredit the witness, the nigga that they calling the dolphin.
Jet, did the music reviews clip look good? Is the mic on?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh shit. We loud and belligerent. They trying to hear the trial. What's up, chat? My bag in the way. Y'all, it's a lot of shit going on.
The biggest, the extra largest.
Y'all know what the fuck going on, man. The gang in the building, man. I'm barefaced right now. I'm finna line my lips or something.
I'm
Yeah,
excited.
it's on. They did a quick little breakthrough. So break down. Oh, girl, let me tell you.
I ain't seen nothing.
Let me tell you what old
I ain't
girl
seen
did.
nothing.
Big gang look like Martin. Y'all ass funny.
Cornelius is, so his girl takes a stand and she was talking about basically everything that Govan, everybody he said about Govan. He was like, yeah, he told me that, yeah, y'all gonna come up on some money. He's saying this to Cornelius. He's like, y'all gonna come up on some money. You gonna, and then you killing Dolph. And she was like, yeah, I heard him saying that, yeah, they got a thing to kill Dolph, but I thought he was lying because he's strong on pills. So then, she also, the dude brought up, he was like, so he was also stealing, taking your guns and selling them.
They playing for a narrative. Go ahead, I'm listening.
So allegedly she said he was taking her guns that she had and selling them, and then some other things and selling them others. So that's kind of like where we're at with like the
He was taking,
with
and what he was selling for pills?
the pills, I guess money for the pills.
I'm gonna tell y'all how sad
discredit
this
the nigga.
situation is, bro. Y'all finna see straight drop and Govan go down for nothing. Because guess what this nigga got for telling? Guess what he got?
What?
Nothing.
He just telling.
He telling for free. I heard.
Wait, so he don't get no immunity?
I'm hearing the people.
Oh yeah, it's over with.
He asking the prosecutor like.
It's over with.
He told the prosecutor yesterday, I ain't talked to my judge in about 2 months. I mean, I ain't talked to my lawyer in 2 months. They said, what you mean you ain't talk? I'm trying to see what I'm getting out of this. They said it's on the stand. He like, what you mean? Hold on, let me understand.
Never.
He like, I'm trying to see he like, so what are you doing this for? You didn't have an agreement or nothing? That's what the prosecutor. No, this what Govan lawyer asking him. So you ain't getting nothing out of this? He like, no, I'm trying to see what I'm getting out of it. My lawyer ain't said I was getting nothing out of it. I'm just working this out of good faith, hoping y'all do something for me. I watch that nigga say, I say, oh my God.
Out of hoping y'all do something for me. Yeah, this shit over with.
That's what he said. That's what the lawyer.
This shit over with. Where the fuck my phone at?
That might fuck the nigga.
No, Govan lawyer said, so you mean to tell me you haven't worked out a deal for the cooperation you give me? He said, no. I'm hoping that they come work with me. I ain't talked to my lawyer in 2 months.
Ooh.
He said,
damn,
Govan lawyer say, okay. Anyways, what I wanted to ask you was this. I'm like, damn, you's that goofy, folk.
You ain't proffered nothing.
Go watch that trial.
Govan fuck around.
I watched that show. When I got home, I was watching it. I'm like, damn, this nigga.
He might walk.
He not getting nothing out of this.
He might walk.
Govan?
Just hearing that.
And Govan ain't walking, bro. Listen. He done already told them people, listen, I don't know what you watch. Govan is a dope fiend. I hope y'all seen what I said. That nigga's a dope fiend.
I seen you say that.
That nigga a straight dope fiend. He was looking for a cash out. He was trying to be he a Yo Gotti wannabe.
And didn't plan it right.
He a Yo Gotti wannabe, nigga. All that shit, nigga, on bro grave. Because
on bro grave.
When you sit there every day and you wake up and you building a team full of Power Rangers to go against the Red Power, because Dolph was the Red Power Ranger. He was the leader. He was like the motherfucking one, bro. So when you go and develop a team, you got Straight Drop, you got Cornelius, you know what I'm saying? You up on the Big Jook. Because let me tell you how the chain of command. It go Gotti. Gotti, this is why Gotti not going to jail. This shit ain't got nothing to do with Gotti. Big Jook is just my brother. All that street shit, nigga, I've been removed. Nigga, I got one of the biggest artists, Moneybag Yo, black youngsters. You feel what I'm saying? I got a whole team over here. I'm worth 50 M. You think I'm involved in some street shit? That's all some bullshit Jook got going on. Mm-hmm. You see what I'm saying? So when this nigga Dolph going at me and this 100,000, that ain't coming from Gotti, man. That's Jook work. Jook gone. The buck stop at Jook. The buck finna stop at Govan. Because Govan ain't been involved with Gotti in years, bro. Let's be honest, bro.
Yeah, he ain't been with
Gotti and Govan ain't talked in 7, 8, 9, 10 years, bro. Nigga, Govan was fucking with Jook. Jook and Gotti, I guarantee you that nigga ain't got no messages or anything going on back and forth between Gotti and Jook about Young Dolph. It just ain't gonna happen.
It ain't gonna happen.
If Big Jook was smart enough to tell, hey, look, if y'all want to discuss how much money is on the Key Glock and Key Glock and Young Dolph and goddamn it, Paper Route Fizzle and goddamn it, Paper Route Woo, if y'all want to do
Dogs should have put me in there.
Go ahead and step out the house. You know what I'm saying? Because it's cell phones in here. And them cell phones, we don't know what to listen. Step out the house. So you going out the house. If they having that, you think he finna be talking on the phone with Gotti about Dolph? Never. So hold on, 40.
Yeah, you heard me.
He'll never be talking about that. So what I'm trying to get y'all to understand is when that nigga said Govan called him. I watched the trial. He said Govan called me. He said, hey, that nigga Paper Route Woo at the house. He said, oh yeah. He said, yeah, go get up a Straight Drop. He go get up a Straight Drop. He give the niggas the guns. Paper Route Woo is at Woo at the Bam. They don't got no problem with Paper Route Woo. This Govan and Jook. This Straight Drop and Cornelius got no problem with these niggas. They just trying to get some money, bro. They just trying to get some money, folks. And goddamn it, Govan.
Hey, P acting like gang. Shut up.
No.
The comment said, let us watch it.
Hold on, no, we breaking it down.
It's on pause right now. I mean, look.
Jay, just ride with me, dude.
We breaking it down. Hold on. Let me paint the picture real quick.
I love gang.
He call up Cornelius. He tell Cornelius, get up with the Straight Drop. Paper Route Woo at the crib. He pulls up on Cornelius. This was all documented in the court. Cornelius just said this. He pull up on Cornelius and give them guns. Paper Route Woo is at X, Y, and Z. He drop him off around the corner. Them niggas walking past Paper Route Woo house. Paper Route Woo walking to his car out his front door with his gun in his hand. He see the niggas. It's a shootout. Cornelius and Straight Drop get the shooting back. They guns jam up.
Oh.
Nigga, who gave him the guns?
Oh no, Steve. Y'all. First of all, y'all was on a mission for a nigga that gave y'all jam guns.
That gave y'all jam
Wrong
guns?
Oh
answer
yeah, I
right
heard
there.
that. I did hear that. I did
Wrong
hear that.
answer right
Bro,
there.
y'all listen.
I
So
would've
hold on.
stopped
This
fucking with him right
this
then
was
and
4-5 months before Dolph got killed. They still on the mission. This was 4-5 months. They pulled up on Paper Raul. Paper Raul blew their ass down. They guns jammed. They like that. He said he had to duck and weave. He said on I had to duck and weave. I had to get up out of there, call the motherfucker to come pick me up. Paper Raul was trying to nail his ass.
was
He just down there died. Y'all
You playing
still
with the right nigga.
and y'all still fucking with Dolph now. Y'all still trying to chase Dolph. Y'all still waking
Y'all
up.
dope
Man,
fiends.
so they wake up every day like, see,
Cut the cousin down, cut the cousin down.
okay.
Yeah.
See,
I
straight
get
drop.
it.
See, straight drop. The thing straight drop was getting out of. You see, as soon as Dolph died, you see him with black. You see him doing features with Big Homie G. You see what I'm saying? He popping out Track Hawk. You feel what I'm saying? He Gucci down. $50,000 this. 50,000 in 20s, you feel me? He Gucci down, Track Hawk, he rapping about this. As soon as he smoked up, them niggas was broke, bro. That's what they did. That's what Cornelius did it because he was just a broke nigga. He just remind me of me, bro.
Oh, we bad.
He remind me of me so
All right, come
much.
on. We on.
Let me see.
They talking about talk 40. Give me a damn minute.
Company by certificates, self-authentication for each
So unprofessional.
is that
Nigga, suck my dick. Shut up. Oh, that's cuss word. Man, turn the thing on. I'm over there. Fuck is y'all talking
Look at auntie.
I ain't gonna lie. Govan, a dope fiend. I don't like him. He called Stan G phone talking all that hot shit. You say your feet was kicked up. How your feet kicked up? Dolph gone.
I ain't kicked that right now.
You played the instrumental part. It was
KP.
Gotti.
All right, KP.
No, shout out to the chat from the Austin sector.
phone?
I see the
Ain't no
chat.
Austin sector.
I mean, the fans, this PM, and he from Austin.
Bro, ain't no Austin sector.
KP, bro. See? This what I be talking about.
So it ain't no fans from Austin that watch us?
Gang, just watch the thing, man.
Fans.
I'm Chauncey was on stand down.
You right, he wrong. It's over.
No, I wasn't talking about that.
Okay,
He's asking.
So
bro.
Hold on.
earlier they had, just before y'all got here, they had the one of the top detectives on the case. They showed his face. They ain't been showing nobody else's face that's close to anybody outside of, I think. Nah, I don't even think. Yeah, I think they showed. Nah, they still didn't show the security guard face. I don't think. What we doing?
I'm waiting on what's going on.
You know
What is
what I'm
that?
saying? I'm asking them what they doing, like what we doing to the court.
Can you see the screen, KP?
I'm on my phone. I see that motherfucker. It looks still.
Y'all quit saying my name.
Big 40.
Duh, if you already knew, if I knew what was going on in my life right now, y'all would understand.
That's his. That's a Govan lawyer that I think Indian or I don't know what he is, Mexican. Don't get me lying, but he been standing on business.
So we not supposed to talk while they sitting here not saying shit?
We don't want to hear your dialogue yet. We didn't break nothing down because we didn't see
Don't know
what we're
what's going
watching
on.
right now.
On the,
40 on that.
so we have the call detail records for the authenticating.
I don't think that's she's so low neither.
5 different flash drives. Should we do like 18A, 18B, CD? Because also on the flash drive are extractions for the numbers that we intend to introduce, but would only be introduced through this witness.
They talking about,
I guess they're trying to present some evidence.
How is this?
oh wow.
I'm trying to hear her.
Court said it's better
I don't know what she's saying.
Okay.
You want to have one for each?
So each flash drive will have, they may have the call detail records that are already stipulated as evidence. And some of them may have a phone number. One is already admitted into evidence. So that's why I was asking, should the call records be, say, if we're talking about phone number 6, for example, should there be 18B? I just want it clear for the record.
Sure.
And
I
then,
think that might make it clearer. So if reviewed,
yes,
the people will know what exhibit this refers to.
and then, say if the phone number comes in, it will come in under 20 or 21 or something like that, and we can indicate that on the flash drive.
Yeah, fuck them people. I don't give a fuck about nobody other than KP. And pop
Or will the
off.
whole thing come in as 18A?
Nothing. I'm just saying, he think I care
what
about
you're telling
other
me is
podcasts. I don't care about.
Other podcasts.
They posted.
I'm saying, real life.
Anyways, bro. Anyways.
Yeah.
Each one of these phones,
I don't.
Yes,
Shit about us.
and we're gonna have a flash drive to each.
yes.
Okay, you gonna start playing some footages? That was on the footages game yesterday, heavy. I need to see some footages.
Some footage. Yeah.
But they had footages. I don't be a point.
I'm about to say.
There was a lot of them, so footages.
Y'all know I'm fresh back in school. Don't play with me with the grammar
So
right
let's
now.
say you do,
Not
the
the
phone
grammar
ended
code.
in 1625, which is the first number that's on your document.
Yes,
Just try that.
That's what's wrong.
yes.
Let's keep it like that. Since there might be
Ain't not to be
Man,
several
we
layers
only
to
want to
this.
see when people take a stand. We don't give a fuck what she talking about. We want to hear the facts. Fuck all that.
I'm about to see what's going down.
Sounds like this week might be up for a while.
Honestly, I don't believe he'll be up there for very long.
Oh, so this next person ain't gonna be up there long.
Oh.
I don't know if they get up there or not, bro.
That wasn't help.
How many is there?
Now let's get to the meat and potatoes.
Man, the nigga going down, bro. Them niggas hating on Dolph like that, nigga.
Look at the coordinators. They laughing and shit. It's over with.
They gonna show me it.
It is what it
They
is.
say he got a bad makeup job, Govan. You see like something going on, like what the heck going on with his cheek?
Bro, this nigga telling, hoping to, man, for free. It's crazy. Look at Govan. He like a dope fiend. That's a dope fiend, folks. A killer dope fiend. It is what it is.
He got that like something wrong with his jaw.
You lost weight.
He on the way, y'all. Y'all keep asking the same fucking question. Just keep waiting. Just even more. And hit the like while y'all in there.
Folks a killer dope fiend. It is what it is. He look like Straight Drop. That's how Straight Drop looked for they gave his ass life. That's exactly how Straight Drop was looking.
Ted, what?
Well, hell, Straight Drop seemed like he took, like you said yesterday, he stood on more business and took his leg.
Yeah, I mean, Govan finna take his lick too. I mean, it ain't no, when the buck stop at you, where can you go with it?
It's like Govan don't want to be seen on our
Dude, we know you troll, bro. You sit around all day trolling me, bro. I never say your name. And then you came out of nowhere to get your goofy ass home.
What you doing?
Niggas is nobody. You niggas live in your mama basements, 50 years old. Weirdos.
Who is this?
Go get you a girlfriend.
Shut up. Chat, okay, I think they're about to play something. So,
All right, can we read the stipulation for the record?
So ladies and gentlemen, what she's getting ready to read to you is what we call a stipulation. A stipulation is an agreement by the parties
where the minds
that
at, fool?
a particular piece of evidence is what it says it is
Y'all are going
without having to call a witness to say so. Okay, and that's done oftentimes just to kind of speed the trial up a little bit. So here we go.
So this stipulation and the notice.
Okay,
Both.
do the stipulation first.
State of Tennessee versus Hernandez Govan, indictment number 2204769. Order stipulating ownership of 901-859-1460. Whereas there having been presented to me the Honorable Jennifer Johnson Mitchell, Judge of Division 10 of the Criminal Court of Tennessee, 30th Judicial District at Memphis, for the purpose of trial, phone number 901-859-1460 belongs to the defendant, Hernandez Govan. This stipulation is in relation to motions heard by the court and ruled upon on July 30th, 2025 by this honorable court in the above pending case. The ownership of 901-859-1460 is stipulated by the Assistant District Attorney and Attorney for Defendant Hernandez Govan and shall be entered into evidence by agreement. It is therefore ordered, adjudged, and decreed, signed the Carla Taylor, Assistant District Attorney, Manny Aurora, Attorney for Defendant, and Judge Jennifer Johnson Mitchell. Signed dated 8/19/25.
And so the next document she's going to read into evidence, because it has been admitted into evidence, is what is entitled a self-authenticating document as to certain cell phone records. We're getting ready to hear some testimony about cell phone records of different people that you've heard testimony about already. And the law allows
That's what we all
for
waiting
certain
on.
records
Cell phone
to be
records.
authenticated without having to call.
I'm telling you,
a
though,
witness
Gotti too smart.
to testify about it.
No, it ain't gonna be
Through
God.
certain documents that.
It's gonna be between him and Juke
That's what Govan, yo.
and them little
She's
niggas.
getting ready to read that to you also.
State of Tennessee versus Hernandez Govan, indictment number 2204769. Self-authentication pursuant to Tennessee Rules of Evidence 90211. Pursuant to Tennessee Rules of Evidence 902 subsection 11, the following call records have self-authenticating certificates and are admissible into evidence. Justin Johnson, 901-236-1625. Cornelia Smith, 901-513-6236.
Phone numbers out like.
901-479-3786.
that's a good point, J-Rob.
Angela Arnold, 901-370-0185. And Anthony Mims, 901-692-2767. ATT GLDC, file number 3359085. Certificates of authenticity are attached. Signed, Jennifer,
They talking about
Judge
she's
Jennifer
gonna ask the
Johnson
judge as
Mitchell,
well.
Judge, Criminal Court, Division 10.
Bro, y'all is slow.
Thank you. You have copied it?
Auntie do not look like Cisco.
The state calls Michael Garner.
Let's see, are they gonna read them out or?
Stand right here, sir. Raise your right hand facing y'all.
Do you swear or affirm to tell the truth?
Yes, ma'am.
See?
No, he. How about that?
Good morning.
Good morning.
Could you state your full name for the record?
My name is Michael Garner.
Let's do it.
MICHAEL GARNER.
And where are you currently
He's
employed?
like the
Currently,
police.
Come on, bro. What are y'all doing?
I think he might be giving, I don't know, he might disclose this information.
They pause it? What the hell going on? What the chat saying?
what happened. Let me refresh this also.
At city limit.
Unless there's something going on like to that dude's connection. Oh no, what the hell? Okay.
And where are you currently employed?
Currently,
Yeah, it's something with they feed.
I'm gonna keep it 100, bro.
We'll see when it come back up. But go ahead.
I'm gonna keep it 100, bro. I just want to say this real quick before we get back to the video, bro.
Oh, it got cut.
It got cut?
I'm gonna find it. I'll find that one. Keep talking.
I've been watching. I watch everything on the internet. Nothing get past me. I watched y'all for about 4 or 5 days now say we finna get Pop Austin. The same people in here talking about Austin sector. The same people in here talking about Austin
Jay,
sector.
can you toss me water, please?
There's no such thing as the Austin sector, cause it's like 10 of y'all and like literally 0% of y'all is from Austin. None of y'all is from Austin. And then you get up here and you say Pop Austin ain't representing Austin right, but y'all not from Austin. Pop Austin not out representing Austin right. We finna take that shit down, nigga. They gotta stop or they gotta let us in the door. So when y'all get in here spamming the chat, my co-host might not been seeing everything y'all been saying the last week, but you niggas is goofies. And it's annoying. And you know what I'm saying? I just get mad when other people don't know what's going on. You know what I'm saying? They innocent bystanders. But we all know what's going on the internet. You know, and if people want to make a story and have something to talk about, they want to be relevant because they irrelevant.
Have you seen those flash drives before?
yes, we have.
Okay. How do you know that you've seen them before?
I opened each flash drive and examined the data that was on them just to make sure that what was written on the envelope was actually
That's
contained on the
crazy.
flash drive.
They just happened to see Dolph that day. I keep saying that.
Did you happen to write anything on the envelope?
I put my initials on each envelope after
I'm mad y'all
I
hired
opened
him.
the drive and examined what was on it.
Digital forensic department.
Okay.
Title.
And in your evaluation
Keep brother in
of
the
the
sky.
contents of those flash drives, do you happen to know whose numbers are affiliated with each number?
Yes, ma'am. The Justin Johnson extraction that I have right here is the
Nigga, you don't tell me what to do, nigga.
1625.
Now what?
And that contains the
I'm on
phone
that
and the
today. They
CDRs
ain't
that were done on that. This envelope here says Cornelius Smith.
No, I'm just
That's the
playing.
phone number and CDRs for phone number ending in 6236. The Cornelius Smith's phone had 2 numbers associated with it. This is the CDR for the phone number ending in 3786.
So yeah,
that's
that
just the CDR
ECM,
on that.
you know, like the new ECM.
Chris loves flying, and he loves helping others.
Oh, that's good to know. Chris loves flying.
Bro, y'all was the main ones talking about my sister, folk. Stop acting like y'all supporting her, folk. Cause y'all trying to drive a wedge between me and her. When y'all be the main ones talking shit about her, get y'all goofy ass on.
And CDR for phone number ending in
See, I'm late. So Austin section is basically a group of niggas.
Trolls. A group of grown trolls, 50 years old.
Oh.
I don't even be paying attention to them. Stop reading it, KP.
So a CDR is an acronym for Call Detail Records. So a phone
Hi,
has
guys. Bye,
all the
guys.
calls.
I wanna
that
hear
you make,
Mike.
but it's
That's what I wanna
user
hear.
accessible. So you can go in and delete calls and things like that. A CDR is from the carrier, it's Call Detail Records. So if you have an AT&T phone number, law enforcement can submit paperwork to AT&T to get the call detail records. And we use these in forensics to kind of verify and validate what we find on the phone. And it can also show sometimes if data was deleted from the phone.
We get it. We want to get
The
to
user
text
cannot
message.
access
We know how y'all
the
get it.
CDRs, the call detail records. So if we see calls that are missing, they will show up in the CDRs. So we just use the CDRs to validate and marry up with the phone.
Nah, Wisewood, that's a fact.
And we get that from the carriers, AT&T, Verizon, T-Mobile.
Your Honor, we'd like to enter all 5 of those flash drives as the next number exhibits.
No objection.
All right. Let me see if I can put a line.
With the officer's initials on, we'll mark that as exhibit 19.
If I was on jury, I would have to say not guilty for Govan. This is shit on plan. What's plan?
The next one is envelope with, that contains a zip drive. It's for Cornelius Smith. It says phone dump and CDR. For number 6236, it has the officer's initials on it also. We'll mark this as exhibit 20. The next one, it also belongs to Community Smith. It's a brown envelope with a zip drive inside. And it's for phone number 3786, and it's just a call detail record. That's the officer's signature on it. We'll mark this as exhibit 21.
Jay Body right, exactly. Juke did this alone. There was nothing. It had nothing to do with Gotti. He was just trying to prove himself to Juke and to Gotti, hoping Gotti elevate him out the hood, cause he's still in the hood chasing niggas. Gotti ain't fuck with Juke. Why you think Dolph had to front his big brother? Gotti don't fuck with you like that, bro. Why you think Dolph had to front you, nigga? You was eating from the other side too, nigga. Gotti don't fuck with you, nigga. You know what I'm saying?
Everybody think Gotti going down, but I don't think, you know.
No, it's all
Gotti ass ain't going to
Yeah,
jail.
Gotti ain't had nothing to do with this. This was Juke trying to prove himself.
They need to show these goddamn text messages. I'm like,
That's what I want to see.
And just for clarification, you did not analyze those extractions?
No, ma'am, I did not.
Okay. No further questions, Your Honor?
Hi there, Agent Dabney. My name is Manny O'Rourke. We met earlier today, I think.
Yes, sir.
Garner, I'm sorry. It says Holy Justin here. With regards to my understanding of cell phones, if you could just sort of dumb it down for me.
Yes, sir.
CDRs, call data records,
Call detail records.
call detail records.
Yes, sir.
And so that tells you what phone calls were made, when they were made, stuff like that.
Yes, sir.
And it also gives you like GPS coordinates of approximately which tower would have been used to make that call.
The GPS that are in the records relate to the tower location.
Right.
So, yes, sir.
Okay. So you would agree that the tower locations aren't 100% accurate. It's just the
everybody on
the
Black
tower
Guns,
10 feet from me, but if it's full, it's going to
people
kick me
troll
down
saying
half a mile.
I
whatever.
think I could be a lawyer, guys.
Yes, sir.
I swear.
Okay.
You definitely could be a lawyer.
With the call
I gotta
detail
figure this
records,
shit
you
out.
can see who called whom.
No, I'm about to
Incoming,
die.
outgoing.
Probation officer can't
And
keep
there
it.
is information
What you
as to
said?
which
I
tower
need to smoke.
it would have been used. It doesn't put
Why
you there
is you-
necessarily,
you
but
are
relatively close, right?
Oh,
The device connected to that tower. Yes, sir.
Okay. And
Y'all gonna piss me off
you
after
were
this.
asked
Leave me alone. I'm
sort
so
of do the location from the CDRs
it's
for
probably the
just two different phones as part of your investigation, right?
That's correct, sir.
And that was the 1625 for Justin Johnson,
Yes, sir.
and then the 6236 for Mr. Cornelius Smith.
Yes, sir. That's correct.
And you were asked to do that in 2024.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Nobody's ever asked you from the DA's office or anyplace else to sort of map out anybody else's phone as to where they might have been at any given time?
No, sir.
Okay. With regards to the towers, we were talking about, these are AT&T records that
Talk
you
about the tower.
downloaded or whatever the term would be.
What towers?
I would need to look at them. I don't know.
That they track their tower.
Okay.
The cell phone tower?
Correct me this
Yeah,
way.
'cause if your phone's,
It's all good for
your
you.
phone's off,
Mm-hmm.
it don't matter, it still can.
That's
That's why you got boys and girls. You never take your phone with you where you going on the jury. You leave it at home.
You did
That's what
slide.
Jake and them was saying.
That's rule number one.
That's rule number one.
I'll let them go through that for a second.
I've
yeah,
never-
That's what Juk was like, man, don't be calling me on no phone. He said he tried to get in contact with Juk, and Juk was like, nah, you just gonna see me when you see me.
Yeah, don't call me. See me when you see me. But rule number one, you don't take the phone on the jury with you. Like, I thought y'all would learn from Rondo and C-Day and all that other stuff. You leave the phone at home. You leave the phone at home. If you don't trust the broad with the phone, you don't need to be around her. You unlock the phone. Post on Facebook like you me. Post on Facebook and on social media like you me. If I ain't back in an hour or two, you might need to worry.
But you know what's crazy though? You get to going through that, you get to doing that, and then they know too much.
Yeah, that's the thing.
She
now
gonna
you
be the
involving
one.
somebody.
She know everything.
She know everything.
Put you under the jail.
That put you under
But guess
the
what?
jail.
You don't. No, not you. The niggas that's dealing with multiple females and not living an honest life gotta worry about shit like that. Hoes that
That's
know what
true.
they getting in when they first get
Like,
in it.
I ain't gonna
Don't
cap.
have no more expectations than what they in it for.
And
Bitches that know they role, they gonna play they role.
And I'm gonna say this: the
just
old
don't
girl,
have
old
it.
A
girl,
nigga
you
play,
see-
a bitch
old
gonna
girl
go
you
off
seen up
emotion.
here?
That's common sense.
The one you keep up with my baby mama. The one you seen up here.
Yeah.
Like that, you feel me? That that one person, that's it. That's the one that know all the the bodies buried. I ain't got 4 and 5 females in my business. That's stupid. Or leave my phone at the crib. Shit, just leave my phone at the crib. If I ain't back in about an hour or two, you need to worry. Other than that, I'll be back. Cause at that point, if you really sliding, you know what you looking for and where and what direction.
And then that's a big part of not having no bitch that's. I mean, I keep cussing.
Female
Having no
that's
female
solid.
that's green though. You can't have no green
You
female.
can't have no green female.
I have never went through a man that worry or question what I'm on. Like if I'm not going, then I know what's. You know what I'm saying?
Mm-hmm.
I know
You
what to
time
do.
it
I know.
is.
It's
Play
all
the
good.
role
It's
and get ready to
nothing
pee
even
on my
talk about.
hands when I get back.
Real quick, before a quick topic I'll throw in there while they doing their little thing real quick.
Mm-hmm.
What y'all think about the Young Thug? He reacted to authorities. They said he won't get none of his money back or anything from the.
He not gonna get it back?
Yeah.
Yeah, she said that. When they say that. I thought they said they was giving it. They was giving back his money, his Corvette.
Something else, and it must have been later than a new one posted and said he is gonna get it. Well, then they is giving it to him. So for his birthday, he said it's still my birthday or something. Yeah, that's crazy. Okay, so he.
I ain't even get. I haven't got nothing back that the feds took from me. So that's a real
win.
That's a win, bro. That's crazy. To be honest, they could have easily took that money, that car. He wouldn't even cared. There's something behind it. Now that I just said that out loud, they got some. Nah, what are y'all giving it back for?
Y'all about to take a minute.
I remember one time, y'all, when I was living that life, fool, I got pulled over, went to jail, everything. I went and got my car from the impound, fool. They left my scale, the baggies, everything was in the car. I said, oh fuck, oh it's over. I'm done. Never again did I play with them again. I'm done. Austin is different. They said we're gonna give you the rope. Hang yourself. Let me see something. I'm good. Nope.
Yeah, they still.
Let me be your first case, 40. You like 7 cases late. What are you talking about?
God, comment would be crazy.
They do be wild.
Yeah, they giving it back. My bad, Chad. I did see something before where it looked like he was, and then I guess he got them. It looked like
Yeah,
they
when
were
I seen that they was
controlling
giving
him.
it back, the Corvette, I'm like, damn, he just got blessed. He just got blessed. Well, that's crazy. They don't do that.
Yeah, y'all know that dude. They still talking. Y'all know that dude.
You read the comment?
800.
That's real.
There's a Mississippi rapper named 25800. He beat a 2021 murder charge up to 4 years in jail.
I ain't see it.
Not guilty.
Not guilty? Oh, you talking that homemade?
That's a blessing.
As far as the CDRs go, whether a smart criminal ditches their phone, doesn't do whatever, you can get the CDRs directly from the phone company. You don't need the actual phone.
That's correct, sir.
All right. And the dumps, that's the actual phone that you described to the jury where you could download text messages and stuff like that.
Yes, sir.
Okay. And then people could delete those, this and that, and you would see a text was sent on the CDR, but you wouldn't know what was said.
Correct, no content. Yes, sir.
Okay. With regards to the codes next to the phones, there's like 2A, there's 11, stuff like that. What does 2A mean if it's written next to the phone call?
I would actually like to see the definitions page in that code.
Now in the chat.
Could I show him the definition?
Yes. Let's get to the meat. Potato.
Y'all want to get off the phone? We doing our research, man. They not saying shit right now. Y'all want me to rant? So
No, you can rap. Not too long, not big gang style, but.
02A, also a call came in, was not answered, and was sent to voicemail.
Okay, and what about the 11 that's further down?
Yeah, I cut the dreads, bro.
Actually, I know that a code 11 is that when someone places a call, they did not restrict their phone number from being viewed from the person that's calling them.
Okay, and in regards to those phone calls, some providers, like, once you hit the enter button.
Man, they got like, they on my ass. They talking about I'm gonna get stamps.
What?
They just send me the link.
And
They
in
want
some cases,
Let me just stand
That's why we have a little brief adjourn. Might as well do it on live.
We is live. I'm gonna step out. I'm gonna see what they talking about first.
He don't want them to be saying no wild shit.
If the phone's gonna ring 3, 4, 5 times,
Pop up, let me know.
15, 20 seconds, sort of already on the call.
I think this behind. I get. Ain't no way they just started a room and he ain't
He told me.
On the call or however long the voice is.
Yes, sir.
Okay, and then with code 11, we don't know for sure if it's picked up or not, but it could have gone to voicemail, it could go anywhere, it's just, somebody would have to testify.
Yes, you know.
Yes, sir.
Okay, can I repeat that?
Absolutely.
Oh no, KP need to move. KP move, bro.
With regards to
There you go.
pressure or AutoZone, you were asked to review any of the 1625 or the 6236 phone records for those areas, right?
No, sir, I was not.
Okay. And so we had testimony you talked about, well, you haven't talked about it, but if I live, let's say for example, this hypothetical Bradley Street, and then somebody else lives like 2, maybe 3 minutes away.
Tell
maybe
his
street
ass
over
to
from
move
the
before I
house,
bug up on him,
would the same
fool.
tower arguably
Like, dog,
be able
y'all ass talking
to
about
ping off
Clubhouse,
both
man.
their phones?
Yes.
All I know is bitches on
Yes,
Clubhouse.
absolutely.
Y'all finna piss me off.
So if I live near somebody, the phones are gonna ping, it doesn't necessarily mean. that
Shout
their
out to the
house
officer
or
sector.
their
I don't even know what the
understanding
fuck sector means.
Oh. Yes, sir.
And
I
if
just
the
did that,
tower
didn't I?
closest to me was full, like you said, it could
Turn the
kick
light
out
on.
half a mile up the road to the next tower.
I'll do it right there.
Something just
Oh,
went.
that one.
Go ahead. I'm gonna switch this one.
Yeah, I'm gonna take it. Chill.
So while they doing that, let's see if we can do another thing before we do a top.
With regards to tower coverage,
They just basically.
let's just say in the Memphis area, I mean, how many miles does a tower arguably cover?
It's not even miles, sir.
Okay,
So to actually get the coverage of a tower, you would have to do a drive test.
okay.
We did not do a drive test on this.
I see your chat.
From past experience, having done towers, you can roughly estimate the coverage of a tower by finding the closest tower to it and multiplying that distance by 0.6.
Okay.
And that's not exact, that is an estimate.
Sure.
Because the cell signals are actually going to overlap so that it can provide the best coverage. So it's not going to be a 50-50. So the coverage would be, but from the one cell tower to the next, and then that distance multiplied by.
Do you think Govan's
I
cook
don't
for
want to do too
you?
much math, that's why I became a lawyer.
Yes, sir.
Cooked as far as
but
what, though?
Again,
Think,
that's
like,
if that
think
tower
at
has
this
space
point,
on it.
is there a way that he
Take
can
that
get
far.
out of this
Yes, sir.
situation?
They may
Okay.
give him some type of something that'll give him endorphins in his brain as far as, all right, well, let you speak to your lawyer or
Do you recall?
you get
how
a
many
privilege to this or
towers
that.
were in
But
the
as far as
Orange County area?
without going into this, without having a set agreement,
Okay.
you a black man in America. That shit ain't even a conversation. That ain't even nothing
When I
to,
mapped out.
that ain't even nothing to, you feel what I'm saying? Try to speak about. He not getting shit. I mean, he not getting nothing. Let me stop cussing on my phone.
Hours
And you the same thought, Gotti ain't going down at all.
and address.
Yeah, Gotti not going to jail. That's over with.
I don't know why everybody wanting to go to jail so bad.
that
That's crazy.
10-mile radius.
And remember, okay, I said we ain't worried about Gotti new look. A lot of people was on me, but y'all gotta understand.
Speak on that.
I'm from California. I was raised in Kansas City, Missouri, fool. But I'm from LA. I'm gonna be honest, fool. I didn't grow up on no Gotti conversations. I didn't grow up with none of that going on. That wasn't like a side piece, a halfway conversation. No, I grew up on DMX, fool. Like this is like I could tell y'all some shit that'll make y'all understand why I am the way I am. I grew up on DMX. I didn't grow up. Now when I went back and my team was showing me like Gotti old music, I'm like, oh, I'm tripping. But that's why I'm in this position to do this shit live. I say what the first thing I think about and what I know and what's, you know what I'm saying, going on with me. And that's why y'all can't. Because y'all would really think to, I'm sorry, I'm not apologizing for nothing I say on live. And if y'all was able to do the live how I do the live, y'all would understand what, come on now. I didn't grow up listening to Gotti. That ain't no sourness to him. Now, if I feel like his rap style matches haircut, what the fuck that got to do with y'all? What are y'all? What's wrong? It's okay. Like, it's okay. It's okay.
They on a break right now. Looks like usually when they put it on there. So let's go back and I want to kind of recap a little of Old Girl real quick. Since you're a female. There we go. This is Cornelius' girl talking.
Do you know an individual by the name of Hernandez Govan?
I don't know him, but I've seen him.
Tell us if you see him here today.
Dog, tell him to move.
For the record, she's identified Mr. Govan in court.
Thank you. Ms. Arnold, if you could remove your line.
And nigga, you drop somebody else's channel and...
Thank you.
I like, what is wrong with him?
And how are you familiar, or where have you seen Mr. Govan?
A couple of times riding with Cornelius over his house.
Over whose house?
Over Govan's house.
Okay. So you and Cornelius Smith would go to Govan's house?
I would ride with him, yes.
Okay. Would you ever go inside?
No.
So how do you know it was Govan's house?
Because Cornelius told me.
Did you see Govan outside the home?
Yes.
Okay. Do you know where this home is located?
On Bradley Street.
Okay. What area of town is that?
Orange Mountain.
And on the times that you saw him at the home, did you ever speak to Mr. Govan?
No.
Have you ever spoken to Mr. Govan?
No.
And so did Mr. Smith ever tell you about discussions that he might have had with Mr. Govan?
Yes.
So what did he tell you?
He said something about a hit.
A hit on who?
On Dolph.
So Cornelius Smith told you that he talked about a Dolph hit with Hernandez Govan?
Yes.
Okay. So do you remember when Mr. Smith told you about that conversation?
I can't remember the exact date.
Okay. Was it in 2021?
I can't remember.
Okay. Was it hot or cold outside? Do you remember?
It was hot outside.
Okay. And so when Mr. Smith told you about that discussion he had with Govan, did he ever tell you about a dollar amount?
He mentioned a dollar amount.
Do you remember what that dollar amount was?
It was between $1 million and 1.5.
Okay. And so this discussion that y'all had, was it before Adolph Horton was killed?
Yeah.
Okay. And so did Mr. Smith ever tell you any specifics about this hit on Dolph?
No.
Okay. Did he tell you when and where they were going to do it?
No.
Okay. And to your knowledge, did Mr. Smith ever have, well, let me back up a little bit. Do you know someone by the name of Anthony Mims or Big Joe?
Yes.
Okay. To your knowledge, did Smith ever have direct contact with Big Joe?
No.
So how would he, if he communicated at all with Big Joe, how did he do that?
He said he would talk to Govan, send a message through him, and he would get a message to Jude.
It didn't sound like this, so it probably wasn't.
No, here you go. We're back. My fault, y'all. All right, Bloodhound Q50. Start over. My fault.
So Bloodhound, we have been said that this was gonna happen. We've been said that. Well, I've been covered this when I told y'all that he be tweaking, he do too much, and then you go to St. Louis, Missouri, thinking that somebody playing. Ain't nobody playing in Missouri. Period. Let's just say that. But St. Louis, we not doing that. Appreciate it. Appreciate you, frequent. That's my boy. But look though, yeah. Yeah, Bloodhound, I ain't gonna lie, this was to be expected, but now it's your second time getting popped, so it's kind of like, what, we ain't expect nothing more, I ain't gonna lie. Not even in a bad way, but I expected you to get a little more money and chill out. I expected you to kind of figure it out, you know, you got the pay. You don't have to really do too much of the arguments with nobody and worried about certain shit. No, you still not playing your role. You still the ultimate tweaker. Vert looks like how you would act. Do that make sense? Vert look like he would be more the heathen type than you. You light skin. Your skin barely got blemish. I mean, you ugly, but you just a tweaker, fool. I don't know if it's short man syndrome. I don't know what he got going on, but I expected this. Now it's your second time getting popped, and we gonna see if anything changed for him. We gonna see. I don't want to bet on it, and I'm not holding my breath. But
Trying to see what else we got. Well, we got time. This is a slow news day, honestly. There ain't a lot of itch going on. I'm trying to find. Although I did see something that you may not want to speak on, but I know it can kind of hit the airwaves on IG.
I know what you finna say.
You ready?
I know what you finna say. Go ahead.
Are you ready for this?
Mm-hmm.
Did you see it?
Yeah.
What they was talking about? Who?
Dragged out the club.
No.
Finesse.
Oh, no. This is something else that you're gonna.
You talking about P Killer?
Yeah, well, yeah, this thing.
Yeah, I know you talking about.
Do you see what they were throwing out? It's getting out of hand now.
No, what? Go ahead.
Talking about this is from what I see. And both you, Miss Gold, whatever, lost y'all virginity to her brother, y'all cousin. He locked up right now for a great case. Go look up Christina. That in effing you young woes to the ground. And if you think I'm lying, go ask your older cousin, Mitch Ellithorpe. Now listen to Miss Gold. LMAO exposed what? You ain't exposing ish. But some piss, and even I got blank by you you're gonna come and try to share that for some clout and cover up your ASS. Crazy, that shit is pissed. If you really wanna know some tea, I got blank by my cousin. That when I
Bro,
was
what?
under 10. So so that's what you want. Congrats, but don't think you got real tea. So that's Miss Gold just saying, yeah, that's what happened when I was under 10. Like, what is going on? This getting out of hand. Is it gonna escalate?
Perfect. Hey, like I don't like what? What's going on?
I mean, you ain't gotta say nothing.
I'm in therapy,
I just
so hold
saw
on.
that and I was like, Lord,
What y'all don't believe? Somebody in the chat said I don't believe it. You couldn't hear him. They said they couldn't hear you.
yeah, 'cause the mic, I don't got the mic.
Oh my God! So you just read that? Jay, come closer or something.
Yeah, come over here. There you go. Yeah, I'm slide block. My fault, y'all. This is what Miss Gold said, because people doing that. She when it came out, but this is crazy. Some Austin stuff. Since the Austin sector up in here, LMAO, because they're trying to say that she lost her V card to somebody's cousin. Anyway,
Kill a cousin.
and then Miss Gold exposed what? You ain't exposing ish, but some piss. And even if I got all word, you're gonna come and try to share that for some clout and cover your ASS. Crazy. That shit is piss. If you really want to know some F&T, I got all word by my cousin. Don't want to say the man's name. When I was under 10. So if that's what you want, congrats. But don't think you got F&T.
Man, y'all making fun about motherfuckers.
I'm not. I mean,
I ain't talking about y'all. I'm talking about them.
I saw that. He sent me that. I said, "Oh my goodness, this is getting crazy."
Listen, y'all have to understand that 40, what he say? Y'all seen him? He just came and read it. I honestly feel like, look, my team was like, stop trolling them. Like, stop, like, we get it, you know, like, all right, that's enough, you know. So what are y'all saying is cap? I honestly, look, if y'all don't know, how many people in the chat? Okay, look, if y'all don't know, I'm a psych major, okay? So my thing been before I got in school to read people, study people, was to study people, analyze people, how they act, how they talk. And that's be the reason I get so irritated with people, because I already knew what you was going to do and how you was going to act before you ever did it. So it pisses, I'm like, that's a Raven. So listen. That's why I get irritated so fast. Clock it, gang no. I be mad because I would just be like, bro, why are you living up to what like my head just played?
You know that's what he gonna do.
But this my thing though. No, this my thing with KP. This my thing with KP, fool. Because KP will know. I will tell him in confidence, like, fool, you don't need to drink when you come up here. Play it by how you regularly are. You get what I'm saying? Now, whatever you got going on personally, like, look, y'all see how I look. I don't really look like this on camera. Get what I'm saying? But whatever you got personally don't have nothing to do with Papa Austin Media. Get what I'm saying? So it's like, it get to a point where it's like, all right, I don't know. And I'm not saying, chat, that he got nothing going on, because he really, like, he be chilling. He don't got nothing going on. He be chilling. But, you know, like, when he feel like getting turned, he get turned. But it's like, we already had a conversation about, like, all right, you perform your best when you're not under the influence, and then you come under the influence, I'm on your ass. Like, I'm not gonna subside it whether you was drinking and smoking with me. I don't give, no. Because I'm not finna act a goof. I'm not finna act out of pocket at no point, fool. Motherfuckers got years on me and still not play like that. I don't know. Because where I come from, my mama, my environment, it was never that. Like, it was never given, you got an excuse. No. Get what I'm saying? Nigga, I ain't had no excuse. My mama died when I was crashing out, smacking people with pistols and shit. I went to jail, nigga. Wasn't no excuse for me. Ain't no excuse, nigga. Simple. Stay, you know what I'm saying? Anyway, so look. I love you more. Listen.
You literally just wanted besides my baby mama, and you probably still
and my nigga be telling me, like, you too smart. You gotta stop letting it be known in rooms, because that will mess up stuff.
Yeah.
He said, especially around men. He like, bro, you gotta act like you don't know. Like, y'all, I'm figuring this shit out. Anyways, chat. So look, what I could tell from the situation, because I'm in school for psych, bro, I do analyze people. Miss Gold she needs attention, bro. They both need attention. Let's just say that. But Miss Gold is definitely giving, like, even to, like, okay, no, I was about to give her like a benefit of the doubt. Like, you know, it should be talked about more what we go through. And even though I have went through SA, what's that? Is that what it is? That's the abbreviation for it?
Yeah, you can say
okay. Went through that as a child, whatever. That's not, unless you are in a realm like I am on a podcast, this I can make this entire segment about me, what I've been through in my life. You get what I'm saying? Y'all on Facebook, bro, in comments telling y'all business like that. If that don't scream attention, I don't know what do. When I seen the video that I spoke on, and some people was like, you trolling, stop trolling, like that's not nice. I'm not trolling though. Like I see stuff and I'm gonna call it for what it is immediately when I see it. When they was driving to the fight, to the boxing ring that P Killer was hosting at, and Miss Gold and her little friend made a video of Miss Gold acting like she throwing something up, and they was listening to like Nuck If You Buck. It wasn't Nuck If You Buck, but acting like they was listening to like some, like the shit just be so goofy to me that I can never take it serious. And that's not to say like y'all can't fuck with me, because I'm not saying it like that. I'm saying it like, if y'all be yourself, it wouldn't be nothing that nobody could be like, bro, you're boo-boo. You're poo-poo. Like, stop talking. I don't want to see this. I don't want to talk about this no more. If y'all was being authentically like Mexican or whatever the fuck y'all backgrounds is, like, I think it would be a little more entertaining. But the fact that y'all trying to play it like y'all street gangster or have so much animosity that it gotta go down outside, like y'all still missed the bullet. Y'all still missed it. It's like it gave meet up at the park. Like y'all still don't get it. Like y'all still just not really, like I could tell these are people that didn't get picked until later in life. Do that make sense? Get what I'm saying by that?
Yeah, you wasn't popular in elementary.
Or something was missing. And I'm not talking about just home, but like you just got picked later in life. Like the team was getting selected and then like they picked y'all, like y'all was the last pick. Yeah, like no, like yeah.
Yeah, a lot of niggas suffer from that too.
Bro, yeah. Facts. Now you feel like you being accepted somewhere. Now you feel like you got to do the utmost, and nigga, that's pushing you out your position instead of putting you in a position.
I was having a conversation with my partner about that. Like a lot of niggas really was geeks.
Yeah.
Niggas really.
Then it's the niggas that was something in high school. Is now the niggas trying to hold on to that. Them niggas that be.
Or you got the niggas that just don't care about that shit.
Facts. Most niggas that had that limelight already play it cool and downplay themselves.
Yeah,
I don't care. BKP just had to tell me on the way. He like, fool, you don't even know the clout that you got behind you. Like, you can't even have certain conversations no more.
That's how I feel. I always been a man.
Thank you.
I always been a man. So me, it don't.
Thank you.
It's like, oh, okay, all right.
Like it don't, like I know y'all be messaging me to screenshot me. I already know. I know. This is what I'm saying. The P Killer and Miss Gold situation.
You got clout when you can't walk from one end of 6th Street to the next without getting stopped. I've seen that happen to you multiple times.
Me?
Yeah. Like somebody wanted to stop you. Boy, oh my God, like yeah.
Gang. Okay, that be flattering me.
So that ain't bad now, but it happened to me too. I was just in Voodoo Donuts and got bum rushed.
Dog.
Like, it happens.
It's to a certain extent though. Y'all could just tell. Chad, you said it. Borderline personality and insecurities, what they suffer from. I ain't finna diagnose them, but you could just tell it's not authentic thugging. Like it's not nothing gangster or entertaining. It's really lame, fool. Like that's why, like this my job, so I have to touch on these type of things. But when it come down to it.
I mean, I just thought, you know what I'm saying? Like,
not like that, Jess. No. Just let me get my little clip. No, I'm just.
But you know what? That's what.
Nah, but yeah, I know we gotta cover it because it's, you know what I'm saying. This the city. This is the city that they from. They grew up in. Whatever. Whoever know them. And but I just like I want somebody that went to school with them to come out and speak. Like, look, y'all was never like this. Like, I just. Do you get what I'm saying? By I'm saying they trying to be on that, but they're still missing the point. Like, do you get what I'm saying by that? Okay, I just wanted to run it by a different perspective, cause you know you're not in, you know I'll be a little more stumped down, and you be like, nah, you kind of wrong. You'll call me when I'm wrong. So
wrong, but I mean, hell.
Yeah, I'm not. Okay.
How much clout do you want when you gotta put your personal like trauma on Facebook to the point where you know I don't do too much. My uncle, like, bro, I ain't trying to be funny.
What?
I am a victim of molestation
Mhm.
in my family.
Yeah, and it's not no shit that you would speak about on no
something you
Facebook
play with
comments.
Just because you having a childish rabbit.
And I just feel like okay, like people say to me, like, you don't know how much clout behind you. Like, Miss Gold has a bigger name than I think that she realizes. And this is okay, let me say it like this. I have a different crowd. I have a different crowd from YouTube to my Instagram to my TikTok. So it's certain things that I'm gonna post from my YouTube to my Instagram to my TikTok. Or let's just use Instagram and TikTok. It's two different worlds, fool. Not all the thousands of videos that I have on TikTok, the times that I done went viral on TikTok are not posted on my Instagram, because the certain things that I'm saying, the way I'm acting, the way I am, the way the video look is not Instagram appropriated. Now I have a Facebook page, but I don't really be on I don't really be on Facebook. I used to be on Facebook back in the day, but that was one of the days when it was like, all right, let's meet up and fight, and people was making statuses about business and stuff. I never been exposed. I'm not one of them type of people. Like I've never went through that, no type of exposing anything like that. But I used to see that happen to people on Facebook. Like, Facebook is a different world, and if you don't, it's like y'all still be just playing dumb. Like, I don't be getting it, especially as a female. It's like certain stuff. You not coming out saying that you done been SA'd and when you was 10 years old, like an informative type of reach. You saying it like, you thought you was funny. Well, let me be funny. Like, you wake up and drink a Tito's vodka for breakfast. Like, that shit is not cute. That's not like, nigga, your name is Gold. Like, what you? I don't know, bro. I don't have no biases in it. You know what I'm saying? I don't have no sides, because it ain't no beef with P Killer. We know what happened. You know what I'm saying? Ho, I ain't like you for that. I ain't like you for that. But I still supported everybody that was on that project that everything went through with. You know what I'm saying? But I didn't like you for that, ho. And I wanted to fight you at that point. But that's when I was a little more childish, a little bit stuck in my ways. As far as now, I don't feel nothing for either parties. I just feel like at the end of the day got to end, and y'all are still grown women. And at the same time that y'all want to get the most clout out of the situation, capitalize off of the situation, you have to still act like a grown woman. You still have to be the person that they want to book. You're supposed to still be appealing. You're supposed to still be something that niggas want to look at. And the way that y'all be handling these certain situations is not giving nothing. It's not giving nothing to look at. Nobody wants to hear about it. And now y'all done changed y'all image, thinking that y'all chasing a clout or some following, and changed y'all image into some shit y'all can't uphold. You get what I'm saying? And that's the big reason why I had to change the way I was going, because I'm like, damn, I keep popping it, talking about how I would pop somebody, and I got to keep that. Hey, I start walking my dog with my gun. I am a girl, fool. Hold on, I had to think about it one day, like, bro, you got a coochie. Like, you got a coochie. Girl, when you go to the club, you got a dress. You have a dress on that's like right up under your butt cheeks. Like, you know what I'm saying? Like, I started going through too much. I couldn't get the gun in all the way. It was too much going on. I couldn't get the gun in the club. And, girl, you feel what I'm saying? Like, ain't no way. I had to wake up one day like, yeah, this is not giving sex appeal. This is not giving, these niggas just want to fly you out. They're finna be scared. They're finna be like, bro, she might rob us, fool. She might line us up. Like, let's not. You get what I'm saying? Yeah. That was too thugged out. So I just want them to proceed as being females, bro. They acting like they chasing some shit they can't upkeep. Because when it come down to it, if somebody thirsty enough, just like with us, if somebody thirsty enough and want that clout and they press up, you not living, you don't have the same fake animosity that you created over the internet towards P Killer, Miss Gold, that you would have. You know what I'm saying? Like, you can't upkeep that type of image, so don't even try to play in that lane. That's my advice, for real. Whether you take it or not is on you.
I want to ask about your thoughts on that one, because that was crazy. Any last words, though? Because the trial's pretty much, the land.
Yeah, we out this trial, man.
Be a little bit before we start back up on that. So any last words for the people, or any last topics y'all want to cover before we get up out of here?
Well, what I was finna say? I was finna say something. Shout out to everybody that be watching Pop Austin. We appreciate y'all. We love y'all. But Big Gang want to say something too. Because somebody said, I seen something earlier. I just want to say this, man. We all we have our moments, but we all brothers and sisters and family up here. 40 is like the breath of fresh air that literally just gets on everybody. So don't think we take any of this stuff personally, y'all. We really don't. Okay, I really want to come say that because y'all be really in the chat trying to like, I don't want to say create a narrative because you can't create a narrative from the internet. It's impossible. It's for guys. It doesn't exist. It's like it's a space, but in real life, like we all close, we all get along, we all cool. So it's like, come on, bro. At a certain point in the comments, y'all gotta stop.
Yeah, KP finna say his last one.
Y'all act like we hated each other or we just be getting rolled over because we don't. We just have a dynamic that works for all of us, and it works. So before I get out
here, got mad.
Huh? Yeah, you can see it on his face.
Yeah.
So I would just say this before I get offline. Follow me on Instagram, biggang_039. 40, she got the music review coming soon. Some episodes I will be up here because y'all know I'm an A&R. So I'll give y'all like the little technical.
And chat, hey, make sure y'all let me know. DM me. Y'all always DM me off for the clips and anything. So DM me and let me know who y'all want to see. I'm gonna have a couple of Austin artists up here that is like well known, you know what I'm saying? Hopefully it reaches the right side of YouTube. We ain't talking about the lame ass niggas from Austin. We talking about the gangster niggas from Austin, niggas that's really out here that, you know what I'm saying? Like they have credibility on their name. Let's talk about that. So yeah, we're gonna be doing music reviews with some popping people like
for sure.
Quinn FNs and some, you know what I'm saying?
Track boys stuff.
Come on now. Y'all lucky Hot Boy West ain't out, cause my boy will be up here.
My
like
man's be up here for sure.
Real connects though. Real, you know what I'm saying? So yeah, it's finna be rolling in. I ain't gonna lie. Y'all gonna love it.
Yeah. Other than that, man, y'all follow me on biggang_039. Y'all come out this weekend to Blueprint, of course. Y'all find me there, you know what I'm saying? Get you a section in the bottle. Tap in with me and tap into Pop Austin, man.
Yeah, man, y'all keep subscribing. Like the lives, like the videos, subscribe.
We want 100K.
And make sure y'all follow me on Instagram.
We want 100K before the year over.
DAMNFRTYLOC. I love y'all, chat. I sound extra LA today. What is going on?
You do.
What is wrong?
You sound like you from Cali, cuz. Like you from.
Hey, so turn these motherfuckers up, nigga.
Like I ain't already got this shit, nigga. I never stop, nigga. I gave you niggas a chance. Like, look. 357 to send them to hell. 2 or 3 days it'll come in the mail. 448 when it sit on that scale. I hit the store just to get clientele. These niggas pussy, I know they'll tell. Glock on my lap while I'm making a sale. I feel like Lucy, they wishing me well, but hating on me, want me sitting in that cell. I know some niggas had dissed me for clout. Only the real ones gon' know what I'm bout. I had to step on some shit for the South. I had to put in some work for the hood. I gotta play and I know it's for show. Down hut 1, hut 2, let's go. The bitch wanna stay, better play her role. She don't know her road and that bitch gotta go. 357 to send them to hell. 2 or 3 days it'll come in the mail. 448 when it sit on that scale. I hit the store just to get clientele. These niggas pussy, I know they'll tell. Glock on my lap while I'm making a sale. I feel like Lucy, they wishing me well, but hating on me, want me sitting in that cell. Hey, I don't trust niggas, I know they a rat. I watch your homie get turned to a pack. I watch your homie get turned to some gas. I know I'm at first, but I feel like I'm last. Don't play with my name, I get in your grass. He must don't know, I get on his ass. Hey, man, these niggas must not know. Man, they don't know, man. I'm in the Matrix, Neo. I ain't tryna brag about nobody, but a nigga got hit and they meet me. Yeah, a nigga got hit for that ego. It was back though Joe with the creepo. I'm Stitch, you a bitch like Lilo. Tryna cuff that bitch, you a P.O. I'm a freak ass nigga like D-Lo. Ay, these niggas lost like Nemo. Man, these niggas lost like Nemo. Hey, my bitch dope, that's primo. I gotta stick to the script, that's the G-code. I gotta watch for the cops, I'm illegal. Shout out to Migo. Poke a nigga, mosquito. Take off, torpedo. 357 to send them to hell. 2 or 3 days it'll come in the mail. 448 when it sit on the scale. I hit the store just to get clientele. These niggas pussy, I know they'll tell. Glock on my lap while I'm making a sale. I feel like Lucy, they wishing me well, but hating on me when I walk out the door. Hey, they be hating on me when I walk out the door. They be hating on me cause that's all that they know. They be hating on me cause they broke and they po. Hey, they be hating on me cause I'm fucking they hoe. They be hating on me cause I'm up at that store. They be hating on me cause I got a little show. Damn. Why you gotta hate on me, little buddy? This shit crazy, this shit like ABC. Nigga, this shit 1, 2, 3. Hit his ass with a 1, 2, 3. Think it's sweet, then come and see. Everything gotta come through me, let's get it. Man, I swear to God on my mama. It's on everything I love, I never stop.